In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to a PayPal account. If you want to keep your account information up to date, adding a phone number in PayPal is a simple but important step. It can help with account security, login verification, and recovery options if you ever need to confirm your identity. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account and on your account summary page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where you can manage your account details. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open your account settings. After that, you'll be taken to your profile and account settings area. Here, you'll want to find the section for phone numbers. This section stores the phone numbers connected to your account, and it's where you can add, edit, or manage them. When you see the phone numbers area, click on Add to start entering a new number. Now, you'll arrive at the page where PayPal asks you to enter the phone number you want to connect to your account. Carefully type in your phone number in the field provided. It's a good idea to double check the number before moving on, since even a small typo could cause issues later if PayPal needs to send a verification code or contact you for account-related activity. Once you've entered the phone number correctly, the final step is to click the Add Phone Number button. This submits the number to your PayPal account and begins the process of saving it to your profile. After you do that, PayPal may ask you to verify the number, depending on your account settings or region. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. That part is important because a phone number may not be fully usable until it has been confirmed. And that's all it takes to add a phone number to your PayPal account. As a quick tip, make sure the number you add is active and one you can access easily, especially if you use PayPal for frequent payments or account security alerts. Keeping your contact information current helps make your account more secure and easier to recover if needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.